Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the San Andreas game on your device, and after you do so, you can start from wherever you left off previously or start a new game. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to change the language within your game, then you can simply tap on the escape button within your keyboard to end up within the pause menu. From here, go ahead and click on options and then click on accessibility. Now within this menu, you will find the language option at the very beginning. You can just click on the buttons alongside the selected language in order to change into the various different languages that are available. After choosing your language, you can just click on the accept changes button, or you can also press on the enter button within your keyboard. Once you do so, the language will be applied to your game right away, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your game language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.